Hey guys, coming to you from down the Alaska Peninsula. I wanted to review these Alaska Bush Wheels 31s on this 57 180. Tell you a little bit about them. I have about 500 hours on this plane with 31s. And I'll tell you what, I love every minute of it. When I first bought this plane, the big debate was 29s or 31s. And old timer that I talked to said, once you go 31s, you'll never go back. And after hearing that from him and my own personal experience, I fully agree. These are amazing tires, especially coupled with this airframe. Out here in Alaska, especially Western Alaska, 99% of the stuff I do is off airport. And so we're landing on rough gravel, sand, beachcombing, anything you can think of out here in Alaska. Tundra, we're landing with these 31s, and they're great. Like I said, they not only are great feel in the airplane. Like I said, you have your worst landing, they make you feel great, but they also protect the airframe for being, they're very soft and they'll roll over just about anything. On this plane, I have 31s up front, and I'm coupled with the Baby Bush Wheel in the back, which is another great mod. We'll talk about that in another video, which I fully recommend. The setup on this 180 is amazing. If you're considering any type of off-airport operations, whether it be in Alaska or the lower 48, I strongly recommend the 31s for the 180. It's just a great setup. Like I said, the big thing is protecting the airframe, and you can, like I said, have a very bad landing, and they'll soak it right up. So take a look at some takeoffs and landings I'm going to be posting behind this. Hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try to do some more of these videos, so please like and subscribe if you like Cessna 180 stuff, and I'll try to keep this channel going. Thanks, guys. Landed out on this little tiny sand blow. You kind of see the rocks and stuff, terrain that we roll over, and yeah, these bush wheels just eat it up. you guys saw from the videos, our first spot we went to, it's kind of bouldery, mud, soft stuff out in that area. No problems there whatsoever, landing, taking off. Our last spot down here is a lot of pea gravel and sand. I mean, you can see how quick you get buried just moving your foot in this stuff. You land here with small tires, you could get in trouble pretty quick. Very soft out here, but as you can see, the 31s roll over this stuff and stay on top, no problem whatsoever. So if you guys are considering buying 31s for your 180, can't say enough good things about it. They'll put nothing but smiles on your face. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Our last spot here is just behind us is beautiful Basharoff Lake, and we're far from anyone and anything. It's kind of cool just to be out here and playing far from anybody. So if you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.